Namo Namaha. Today we are going to learn Karma Dharayah, which compound is mainly between nouns and adjectives. And there are 9 subdivisions in Karma Dharayah. But here in this topic, we are going to focus on only 3 types of it. The first type is Visheshan Vishesha Sambandha, where adjective is in Purvapadam. For examples, Rakta Pushpam, Sthula Purushaha, Unnata Rukshaha, and so on. The second type is Visheshanam Samanyanam Sambandha, where Purvapadam is proper noun. For examples, Vivekanand Mohodayah, Ganga Nadi, Shekavasthanam, and so on. And the third type is Upamana Upameya Sambandha, where Purvapadam is either Upaman or Upameya. For examples, Karpura Gauraha, Mukhakamalam, Vidyadhanam, and so on. Now, let's see some key points of the Karma Dharayah. Step number 1. Split the compound word into Purvapadam and Uttarpadam. Step number 2. Change Purvapadam into nominative case as well as the number of it according to the Uttarpadam with respect to gender. For examples, Dirgha Yashtika, Vidya Eva Dhanam. And step number 3, identify the type of the compound word. If it's the first type, then keep Samasa Vigraha as it is. For example, Unnataha Rukshaha. If it's the second type, then add either noun or iti after proper noun. For example, Saraswati Nam Devi or Saraswati iti Devi. And if it's third type, then add iva after upaman. For example, Karpuraha iva gauraha, and add eva after upameya. For example, Vidya eva dhanam. Well, let's see these key points through some examples. Here, our compound word is Rakta Pushpam. First, Rakta and Pushpam are split. Then, Purvapadam Rakta is replaced by Raktam according to the Uttarpadam. After that, the relation between two words is identified. How? Let's see. Here, the adjective Rakta is telling more about the noun Pushpam. That's why this compound word belongs to the first type, Visheshan Vishesha Sambandha. So, our Samasa Vigraha would be Raktam Pushpam as it is. Let's move on to our second compound word, Vivekanand Mohodayah. First, Vivekananda and Mohodaya are split. And then Purvapadam Vivekananda is replaced by Vivekananda according to the Uttarapadam. And then the relation between two words is identified. Here, Purvapadam Vivekananda is proper noun. That's why this compound word belongs to the second type, Visheshanam Samanyanam Sambandha. That's why either noun or iti word is added. So our samasa vigraha would be Vivekananda Nama Mohodaya or Vivekananda iti Mohodaya. Let's move on to our next compound word, Karpura Gauraha. First, Karpur and Gauraha are split. Then, Purvapadam Karpur is replaced by Karpuraha according to the Uttarapadam. After that, the relation between Karpuraha and Gauraha is identified. Here, the compound word Karpura Gauraha is one of the synonyms of Lord Shiva. And how does it relate? Let's see. Here, the word Gauraha reflects the skin color of Lord Shiva, and that fair color is resemblance to the color of cat fur. So, the relation between these two words is comparison, which belongs the third type. That's why Eva is added after Karpuraha. So our samasa vigraha would be Karpuraha Iva Gauraha. Let's move on to our next word, Vidya Dhanam. First, Vidya and Dhanam are split. Then Purvapadam Vidya is changed according to the Uttarapadam with respective gender. After that, the relation between Purvapadam and Uttarapadam is identified. Here, the word Vidya emphasizes a statement. That's why it belongs to the third type. So, a verb is added after Vidya. That's why our samasa vigraha would be Vidya eva dhanam. Well, that's it for this lesson.